So may mga sexy music. So I'm not really sure if it gives justice dito sa video na ito. Pero ito, ang ganda, grabe. But that is the... Where are you? That is the dancing house. Hanana!
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
So nagugutom na ako, pero nakakita ko dito sa gitna ng park ng parang stall lang siya. So ayan. So maybe I should go with sausage. Let's see. And there you go. So, kain tayo. Kanina pa ako naghahanap ng makakain. So, let's try this one. Cheese daw. And definitely I'm going with beer. Because you're not in Prague if you're not gonna share up with beer. Machis masyado. Let's try it with beer. Okay siya. Masarap. Seems that it's famous here. Kasi madami nabili. So, balikan ko kayo once I'm done with this. Okay? Not much, but si farm burger lang talaga siya. Alright. So, I'm heading back to the old town para i-catch yung free walking tour. And let's see kung anong meron. Pero it seems na napuntahan ko na yung mga free walking tour. So, the target is while we are having the free walking tour, diretso na tayo mag-vlog, diba? So as you can see, wala ng jacket ngayon kasi mainit na. It's so hot. So I got a free walking tour under Discover Prague Tours. And they got lots of this. So kanina pa ako naghahanap ng church na bukas. Actually, nakakahot na ako kanina, but eventually punong-puno siya, so hindi ako nakapasok. So now there's a church here na bukas. So let's get inside. So yung ito pala ay Church of St. Nicholas. So ang ganda nung loob, pinakita ko sa inyo sa video. And eventually lakad na tayo dun sa ating walking tour, free walking tour. So andito ko sa bazaar. So it's just like parang Christmas bazaar. Yung parang pag bago mag-Christmas madaming pagkain sa sa paligid. It's the same thing. Same as na-experience ko sa Romania. When there is a food store that everybody could get and grab the food. Ayan. So it's very summer. So na-false alarm ako ng county. Yan, super summer pala dito sa sa Europe. So buti na lang nagtanggal ako ng isang trench coat na pang winter talaga. And natira na lang ay dalawang trench coat na parang regular for parang windbreaker lang siya. And ayun. Pero ganun pa rin kabigat yung aking I only got like 20 kilos. So hopefully maging better siya. And mamaya naman nagagamit naman si trench coat na parang windbreaker. Ang problema lang, intayin ko pa mamaya hanggang 6 o'clock. Kasi by 6 o'clock, lalamig siya ng kaunti yan. Around 14 degrees to 11 degrees. So, yan. Here it goes. And there's a lot of cheese. Ooh. So tama yung hinala ko. Ngayon, ayan na ang tao dito sa astronomical clock. Napakadami na nila. It's very different now. Na ayan yung crowd. Ayan si Junjun eh. Me, no? So, alis tayo dito sa crowd na ito. At napakadami. Kakaiba yung so much better. Let's hook up on this area. So, I don't know what to see here. Ang dami pa rin tao, pero iba naman area. So bakit nga pala ako naglalakad ngayon? Kasi yung 2 o'clock na free walking tour na-cancel kasi tatatlo lang kami. So might as well not go with it or humanap ng ibang pupuntahan. So may mga sexy museum. Sex museum talaga. Nakakatuwa naman, may mga gano'n, diba? Sa sobrang liberated na dito sa Europe. Everything is available now. There's no restrictions. So, kagabi, nagpunta ko sa yung one of the famous gay bar dito sa Prague, which is Friends. So ayun siya. I mean, it's very different. It's like a regular bar. It's like a regular bar na nothing much to see. Parang if you wanted to grab a beer, okay, fine, that's good. But all things about gay, there's a little to offer. So ayan ang Friends. So you have to go under. And then I paid 50 SEK for the entrance, and I'm not really sure for kung anong meron. Baka may contest about the contest, and then that's it. So now I am trucking and going to the dancing house, which is famous din siya dito sa Prague. So tapos na ako ng Old Town, tapos na ako ng mga medieval buildings. So let's go naman dun sa fine architecture, dun sa modern architecture. So kung merong Burj Khalifa ang Dubai, of course meron naman dancing house ang Prague, and let's go there. So actually I could see now yung dancing house ng Prague. Sikat na sikat siya dito ngayon. I mean, isa sa mga iconic place, just like Burj Khalifa, just like Empire Building. So kung pagbabasihan natin ng architectural design, isa ito sa mga parang sought after na lugar o na building ng Prague. The mighty dancing house. So continuing our journey, so hindi ko lang alam kung nasaan ako, but that is where are you? That is the dancing house na famous daw ng Prague. But to be honest, nothing really special. So, maybe because I'm from Dubai, that's the reason. So now I'm walking here at one of the bridge So the other one is the Charles Bridge. I am not really sure what is this. Pero I'm crossing over because nakita ko yung building na yan, which is very very good. And very Europe talaga. Ayan pa rin, ang dami nagbo-boat. So as you can see, Charles Bridge, tapos may mga boating activity. And I'm not really sure what they are doing this in. So that is the dancing house. Ayan yung mga medieval houses nila, medieval building. So ayun pa yung iba. So let's cross there. I'm going over there again to the Charles Bridge and going back there. Let's see. So napakadaming endless architecture dito sa Prague na parang, oh hey, akala ko nung una I will be contented with Georgia dahil yung Georgia syempre ang dami din ganitong building, but habang lumalapit ka pala sa Shenzhen area or habang nasa Shenzhen area ka pala, mas madami silang i-offer sa'yo. Yung magugulat ka na lang siya. So I am not really sure why meron pa rin mga pulubi or beggar dito sa Prague. It seems naman na sila ay parang well off na country, o di ba? So being part of the Shenzhen, probably kailangan walang ganon, pero what can we do? So ayan pa rin, there you go. So after this, balik ako sa inyo mamaya. Bye!
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a...
So I'm not really sure if it gives justice dito sa video na ito, pero ito, ang ganda, grabe. Nakita ko lang siya, so good thing pa rin na hindi na ako nag-scooter pala, kasi I was thinking of doing a scooter para hindi ako masyado mapagod. Kaya nga lang, walking is life, and nakita ko siya. Diba ang cute? And ito pa, parang meron siyang sarili niyang waterways. Ayan. So baka yung bisita nila pwedeng mag-ano dito, tapos dire-diretso siya dun sa building na ito. And you could still see all this beautiful building. So punta ko doon. So early this morning, galing na ako sa Charles Bridge, which you actually see there. So umikot ako ng ganon, and I've been walking for the longest time. So meron dito daw the Archibald at the Charles Bridge. I'm not really sure what's that. So maybe hotel. And this is the Charles Bridge, Great Charles Bridge. So I was there early in the morning, and mayroon palang boat. Paano sasakay dito? Tickets here. Alright. So sunugin na natin ating balat. So I was thinking of like riding this boat, and then when I am walking, nakita ko ng daming pila. So pumila din lang ako just to be in this boat. So I'm just gonna do one, and then coming back, I'll go sit down. So let's see kung anong meron cruise nito. So ongoing in cruise, and you can actually see we are moving, and mainit, so i-pretend na lang natin na hindi tayo nag-worry sa ating skin. i-pretend na lang natin na ang ating skin could be damaged, could not be damaged later on. So that is the stretch of Charles Bridge. There you go. That's Charles Bridge. Famous Charles Bridge. So, pretty amazing talaga yung mga architectural tsaka yung mga Gothic style nila. So, hindi ko maintindihan yung sinasabi ng guard. Pero okay lang. So, nandito ako ngayon sa boat cruise dito sa Prague. And ayos lang ba for 320 check, and mura na siya, isang land para mga 20 dirham siya. So goes with the locals or goes with the white people. Gawin na lang natin na kunwari white din tayo kahit masunog yung balat natin, although it's very concerning nowadays kasi mabilis akong umitim after my borrowed whiteness sa pag hindi labas sa Dubai. Eto naman ako ngayon, nagbabad sa araw just to like enjoy the boat ride dito sa Prague. Kasi the best way daw to explore Prague in a seconds or in a matter of like 30 minutes is to go for a boat ride. So let's go sa upper deck and I'll show you kung anong meron sa upper deck. Yung sunshine niya is in full glory, so that means there's gonna be a lot of sunburn dito. So I'm really worried about that one kasi hindi naman talaga ako nagsa-sunbathing or bumababad sa init because I'm naturally not a white, I'm a brown. So maybe later on yung mukha ko full of sunburn na, although nagkaroon ako ng SPF. It's a given. If I'm going to traveling, lagi ako nag-SPF. So now here is the check boat ride or cruise kung tawagin nila. And I've done this one in Istanbul as well. Medyo sa Istanbul mas pretty amazing kasi along the shores, I mean along the lakes is maganda yung view. Ito parang the other part is greenery and the other part is full of architectural bohemian building. So yeah, so bumaba na ako from upper deck dito sa lower deck. Medyo mainit na kasi, and then I decided to have some beer. Toss it with water. You know what I feel like? I feel like I'm so dehydrated na.